Introducing the all-new generation JMC Carrying. All New Carrying is JMC's brand new generation narrow-body light truck and also the third generation of Carrying. The cab width has been increased from 1,690 mm in the previous generation to 1,740 mm, greatly improving interior space while still maintaining excellent maneuverability on urban streets. The all-new Carrying lineup is comprehensive, featuring single and double cab configurations, 3 body types, chassis, drop side, and cargo box, with wheelbases ranging from 2,490 mm to 3,360 mm, and overall lengths from 4,705 mm to 5,995 mm. All New Carrying adopts a completely new front-end design full of technological appeal. The headlights have been upgraded to bi-xenon projector lamps, which shine brighter and farther. The plated patterns resemble premium passenger car headlights, while the bulbs are tightly sealed to prevent dust accumulation, extending service life, ensuring consistent illumination, and enhancing driving safety. All New Carrying is the first diesel light truck in China to undergo wind tunnel testing. It features the most optimized A-pillar angle and low-drag design, achieving a drag coefficient of just 0.477, outstanding among trucks. The fully enclosed deflector fits tightly. The flat-edge sideboards of the cargo box as well as the rounded design of the front pillars, side guard beams, and upper rails all help reduce drag caused by air separation. In terms of tires, it uses high-performance low-rolling resistance tires. JMC developed its own tread formula, self-developed solution, polymerized styrene-butadiene rubber compound. The rolling resistance is as low as 6.3 thousandth. Unique tread patterns and deeper grooves, combined with dedicated braking and handling tests, achieve the optimal balance of rolling resistance, grip, and service life. The all-new Carrying chassis layout has been optimized. The urea tank and fuel tank are placed on the same site, allowing faster refueling and more efficient operation. The chassis design also considers future modification needs. On the 3,360 mm wheelbase model, 1.2 meters of space is preserved on the left side of the chassis, leaving room for added equipment and functions. All New Carrying is powered by the new MB25 2.5 liters diesel engine, built with JMC's 40 years of independent engine R&D experience and developed as an all-new platform. It delivers a maximum power of 100 kilowatts at peak torque of 350 Nm. It is the only narrow-body light truck in China that achieves 314 Nm low-speed torque and 8.18 liters per 100 km fuel consumption. Performance is best in class, 0 to 80 km per hour in just 18.4 seconds, a maximum gradability of 52% fully loaded, handling steep mountain slopes with ease, and a top speed of 130 km per hour. Despite this powerful performance, All New Carrying achieves the lowest fuel consumption in its class, 8.18 liters per 100 kilometers. This is made possible by 3 core technologies of the new MB25 diesel engine. 1. X-Mirror Efficient Clean Combustion System. China's first mirror symmetrical intake manifold design, ensuring balanced and sufficient intake for each cylinder, greatly improving combustion efficiency. 2. Bosch new generation CP4 high-pressure common rail fuel system, with injection pressure up to 2,000 bar, allowing more complete combustion. 3. Dual thermostat cooling control system, keeping the engine at the optimal operating temperature at all times. As a result, this engine achieves the highest thermal efficiency in its class, 45%. You can also rest assured about the reliability of this all-new engine thanks to 3 major technical safeguards. 1. The cylinder block uses industry-leading gray cast iron HT300 material with 260 megapascals comprehensive strength, able to withstand 200 bar peak cylinder pressure for more stable operation. 2. The timing system has been upgraded from a belt to a high-strength chain plus backlash free gears, greatly improving stability and achieving lifetime maintenance-free operation. 3. Global top supplier Aero Klinger provides an exclusive 5-layer cylinder gasket sealing technology, enhancing sealing and ensuring reliable operation. Meanwhile, to meet the needs of overseas markets with lower fuel quality, we have retained the classic JX493 2.8 liters diesel engine for this model. Derived from Isuzu's legendary 4JB1 series, it stands as the best-selling light truck diesel engine in history, with over 5 million units sold globally over the past 40 years. Renowned for its low fuel consumption, low noise, exceptional durability, and ease of maintenance, it delivers up to 300,000 kilometers of operation without major overhaul. All New Carrying uses a reinforced 650-grade high-strength steel frame with a 170mm section height. The front axle supports up to 2.6 tons and the rear axle up to 3.9 tons. It can be fitted with maximum 7.00 R16LT 10PR all-steel radial tires. The leaf springs are Whiten multi-leaf springs, standard 4 6+4. Optional 6 6+6, making it the strongest load-carrying narrow-body light truck in its class. To meet the needs of different countries, the 2,800mm wheelbase model also offers an optional rear single-tire configuration, 7.00 R16LT 14PR, for the 2,800mm wheelbase models. Drop side body, internal length 3,700mm, width 1,940mm, height 380mm. Cargo box body, internal length 3,700mm, width 1,940mm, height 1,930mm. For the 3,360mm wheelbase models. Drop side body, internal length 4,200mm, width 1,940mm, height 380mm. Cargo box body, internal length 4,200mm, width 1,940mm, height 1,930mm. These are standard factory dimensions. The manufacturer also offers wider and taller cargo boxes to meet diverse customer needs. Entering the cab of the all-new Carrying, you immediately feel the spacious interior and the passenger car-like design. Cabin interior width reaches 1,510 millimeters with generous headroom. Even a driver 1.88 meters tall would not hit the roof. The dashboard has a flat design, further improving cabin space. The driver's seating position is passenger car-like. The seat is wide and comfortable, slides 170 millimeters front to back, with 19 degrees backrest adjustment. The steering wheel allows 4-way adjustment, plus/minus 5 degrees fore aft, and plus/minus 12 millimeters up-down. The handbrake can be folded flat, making in-cab lying down possible. All New Carrying offers abundant storage, up to 12 compartments of different shapes and sizes, keeping invoices, cups, phones, keys, and other items organized. It is equipped with a high-power ANC compressor and condenser. Cooling is fast, with outlet air as low as 6.7 degrees Celsius. The ultra-long front defrosting ducts and large vent area ensure that even at minus 20 degrees Celsius, the windshield can be fully defrosted within 8 minutes, providing clear vision and safer driving. for better driving experience. The transmission synchronizer has been upgraded with more triple-cone synchronizers, reducing jerk steering starts and vibrations during gear changes, making shifting smoother. The height difference between the brake and accelerator pedals is reduced to prevent interference during pedal switching. Turning radius is only 6 meters, allowing U-turns on 3-lane roads. Noise at 100 km per hour, cruising speed is just 75 decibels, ensuring a quiet ride. Cruise control is optional, reducing driver fatigue on long highway trips. The suspension system has also been optimized. All New Carrying adopts a 12 degrees kingpin inclination angle design. A larger inclination angle tilts the steering axis further inward. When turning, the wheels are slightly lifted, and the vehicle weight creates a stronger self-centering torque through the steering axis, ensuring precise tracking with no deviation. At the same time, it shortens the steering lever arm, suppressing steering wheel vibrations. The all-new Carrying uses a cage-type body similar to Volvo, with 45% high-strength steel, protecting occupants in critical moments. It features a flat front waterfall design, with a downward visibility angle of 18.5 degrees, reducing blind spots to just 3.6 meters, and an A-pillar obstruction angle of 4.38 degrees. This provides the best-in-class visibility in smallest blind zones, making alley entry and exit effortless, giving drivers peace of mind. Some models use front disc rear drum brakes for more responsive braking and safer driving. All New Carrying has newly launched an A1 class model, featuring advanced safety equipment such as dual airbags and ESP, high-end features rarely seen on trucks. Key components of All New Carrying come from world-class Fortune Global 500 suppliers: Bosch fuel systems, Garrett turbochargers, Pureberg EGR valves, and Auring Klinger gaskets. With industry-leading stamping technology, the vehicle is made more robust. The all-new Carrying cab is produced by the industry's largest 7,100-ton press. Only such large presses can properly form high-strength steel panels without weak welded joints, making it sturdier. Its cross beams and longitudinal beams are made with 5,000-ton presses, ensuring exceptional strength, hauling heavy loads over rough roads with ease. Welding technology is also industry-leading. Automated standardized production ensures solid and neat welds. With high durability, automated visual positioning eliminates misalignment. With micron-level precision, multi-point welding machines can weld multiple spots simultaneously on magnetic platforms, ensuring flat and smooth panels with high accuracy and durability. Painting technology is advanced, using automated electrophoretic primer plus high-temperature baking. Robotic spraying ensures more uniform and standardized finishes. The front wall, side panels, and steps are all galvanized, giving it industry-leading anti-corrosion ability. All New Carrying was developed following Ford's globally leading R&D process. Whole vehicle durability tests exceeded 2 million kilometers, the equivalent of 50 trips around the Earth. A total of 150 prototype vehicles were used, the largest validation scale in the light truck industry. We carried out extreme tests on the Qinghai Tibet Plateau at 5,000 meters altitude, in Turpan at 48 degrees Celsius, and in Heihe at minus 30 degrees Celsius. Over 1 year, the 3-high validation covered 300,000 kilometers, fully testing performance under extreme conditions. It also passed stringent corrosion resistance tests at the Hainan Tropical Proving Ground, simulating 6 years of customer use under harsh environments, including 50 degrees heat, high humidity, and 3% salt spray exposure. Introducing JMC All New Carrying, your ideal urban delivery partner.